Airborne viruses. The COVID-19 pandemic has taught us that airborne viruses can be anywhere and everywhere. Inside buildings where we work, where our children go to school, where we shop, and even in our own homes. That's why we've created Plasma Clean Air. Plasma Clean Air is a revolutionary new product that uses ozone-free bipolar ionization to clean and sanitize the air inside your home. The small unit easily attaches to your home's heating or air conditioning unit, where it generates ions from the water vapor already in your home's air. Those ions then hunt down and destroy viruses and bacteria from both the air and surfaces throughout your home, removing as much as 99% of bacteria, pathogens, and viruses like COVID-19. There are no moving parts and no expensive filters to replace. Just install it and it goes to work, silently making your home safe and healthy. And best of all, it's easily affordable. Give yourself and your family peace of mind by making your home clean, healthy, and safe from viruses like COVID-19.